Hello everybody, this is Diesel. He's the newest member of the family. You gonna be bad all your life, little boy? Huh? Hey, look at the camera. Hey. Diesel baby. You gonna be bad all your life? Huh? Probably. Alright. What's in there ready to cook, y'all? Might have some help. Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to Roadhouse. We're gonna do today, we're gonna do some shrimp Florentine. Pretty simple little dish. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get our bechamel made, and a couple of tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna throw in a couple of tablespoons of flour and add a little heavy cream to that. Show y'all how we get that going here in just a minute, so we'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all, we got our butter melted. We're going to put in a couple of good tablespoons of flour. Get that out of the way. Stir that in a little bit, and I'm on like medium heat, y'all. Get that all incorporated. Put some heavy cream in there. Get everything all incorporated there. Alright, y'all, we've been going a couple minutes on this. Just keep stirring it, you know. Now, what we're going to do, it's got a, pretty decent consistency to it. We're going to add some shredded Parmesan. Get that all melted in. I didn't add any salt or pepper yet. Y'all remember cheese has salt in it. Well, look at that, that's nice and thick. And this is Roadhouse style, y'all. Just my little cheese sauce here. Might add just a little touch of half and half to it. There we go. Alright, that junk out of the way. White pepper, y'all. White ground pepper. Seasoned to taste, of course. I like to put about that much in there. A little more half and half, y'all. So you do it to the consistency you like. Needs a little salt. Looks like a lot, but just a little comes out. Alright, y'all, get this finished up. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, we got this going our way. Added just a hint more, a little salt to it. But look how it coats the spoon, y'all. Nice and cheesy. And we got some smoked paprika. We'll put some of that junk in there. About that much. Just gives it a little extra flavor. And true bechamel should have paprika out in there, so alright. Alright, gang, that's done. Grab my spinach and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, all that's good, it's on warm. Next step, what we're going to do is about probably a cup, 2.5 cups of spinach. And I'll just do this with it. Just kind of shred it up and drop it in your bechamel there. let all that cook down real good. Stir that in there and let it wilt down, y'all. Turn this up just a hair. Alright, y'all. Now, next thing we're going to do here today, we're going to do our shrimp. Got a couple of pounds, about a pound, I guess. Some of this, I think it's 3140, not real big, you know. Decent sized shrimp, you know. Not too big, just big enough for that. And what we're going to do, let's get our skillet heating up here. Put us a little extra virgin olive oil in the bottom there just to coat it. Get our temperature up. We'll toss our shrimp in there. We'll season them up. See that all right? Yeah. All right. Season these up with just a little bit of fajita seasoning. It's got, you know, like I say, salt, pepper, garlic, and all that in there. Just a good little amount, you know. And we're gonna toss those around and get those brown. Probably cook them, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes, something like that. So we'll get that going. We'll be back. All right, it's not real good. Let's see it right there. Oh yeah, we'll be back. All right, y'all, we got our shrimp done. About 3 minutes on each side, especially if you're doing a larger shrimp, y'all. But they're nice and pink. You don't want to cook them too long because they'll come out rubbery, you know. Anyway, and yeah, I had to sample one. Yeah, tastes good, y'all. You know? You see that? Anyway, alright, so these are done. The beshmel's looking good, and this is the way I do mine, y'all. You do how you want to. I like to take it. I dump my shrimp in my sauce. More about that little good stuff. Alright, y'all, shrimp is in. We're just gonna fold them in. Oh yeah, baby. All the way low for this. Let me get Miss Carrie to do something today in the kitchen. What do you think? No. Come on. No. Alright, y'all. Time to boil the pasta. We'll be back. Alright, y'all. Everything's getting happy over there. We're going to boil some pasta water. A little shot of olive oil in there. That's just how I like to do mine. A little bit of salt, y'all. Bring it up to a boil, and then we'll put our pasta in and let it cook. So back in a little bit. Alright, gang, pasta's done. It's time to plate this stuff up, man. Oh my goodness. The girls already got theirs. They're hungry, man. You know, hungry too. Oh boy, look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. This stuff is so good, y'all. And that, my friends, is how I do my shrimp Florentine at the Roadhouse. Yum, yum, y'all. Back out of here. There you go. There you go, guys. Good stuff. Mix that up, and it's gonna be good, y'all. So basically, how is it, girls?
Good.
Good?
Very good.
Good as last time?
Yeah.
All right. All right, y'all. So there you have it.
You have us on video?
Nope, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't. I promise.
Okay.
Anyway, that's it, guys. Well, Saturday night cook, probably one of the easiest dishes there is to cook. Biggest thing is waiting on the pasta to boil. Anyway, we're gonna eat. We out of here. Hope y'all like it. Y'all give it a try. Comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. See you later.